Neo, what I'm telling you is that you bought these cheap pince-nez sunglasses off of the internet, off of eBay, and you totally fucking regret it because they don't hold on to your face. Tolstoy Kafkaevsky here, and guess what, everybody? Time for a treat! More plastic crap! And guess what? Comic books, too! Oh, man, you love it so... What's that? You don't want to see plastic crap in comic books? Well, how dare you? Do you know how hard I work to put plastic crap and comic books on this table? Have you finished your homework? And you got an A on the science test? Well, you know what that means? We can fucking talk about violent shit! Awesome. So, somebody pointed out my, not-so-airsoft that I was using in the, splicer. When I was doing a splicer, I figured this looked kind of rapture-ish. Wasn't a revolver, but yeah. This is a, Crossman, American Classic it's not a CO2 pistol, it's a pump action. You pump up the air. I don't want to pump it because then, whatever. And then, you put your little target BBs in there. Hold on. And, yeah, so, but this is what we're going to talk about. I just bought this for target practice, for shooting and stuff like that, because I think it's like hand exercise. You're working your grip, trying to pump it up to 10, and then you really have to, take your time and line up the shots. I'm trying to teach myself how to shoot. I don't really like a real gun. The only problem I would have with target shooting with a real gun, if I, lived on a farm and I could, is recoil scares me. And loud noises. I wish maybe, and you can say suppressor or silencer or whatever, but, Okay, so, but that's not what we're talking about. What we are talking about is CO2 pistols! Heckler & Koch, baby! Yeah! So, yeah, I saw this in a, Kmart. Yeah, and I saw this, and first of all, the shape just jumped out at me, because I think it's a USP, right? It says Heckler & Koch USP airgun. Is this anything like what was on the tanker incident in Metal Gear Solid 2? Say yes! And, also, this jumped out at me. Heckler & Koch symbol, manufactured by Heckler & Koch, and also, no compromise. I love that idea of not compromising with your enemies. So, yeah, and it was like $50, so I bought it. In case I have to, do some stuff. So look at the packaging here. You got some of that stuff. It's got, a whole bunch of stats on the back. One thing that worries me is it says steel BB, and it's a half round, 1.44 or .117, instead of a 22 round, it's a 17, but, I'm not, it's just a whole 22 rounds. I'm not sure it can actually do what this thing can do, which is, those little miniature bullets that are, they come in sharp and hollow point and target practice size rounds. I like all those different variations, and I think this can only carry bullets, not pellets, so therefore it's not a pellet gun. Wait a second. Not a toy. Adult supervision required. Did I just see pellet? Air gun is intended for use for 16 years of older. I saw pellet. Holds the worldwide exclusive... Okay. Whatever. And it says a dropout mag, and I think somewhere it said it had a blowback system, didn't it? No. Maybe that was something else. The velocity is only 400 FPS, and I've seen other videos on this. It doesn't seem as accurate. Of course, when you're using BBs, you're not going to be able to be that accurate. And before now, I never used anything CO2. That's not true. My father for Christmas got a I think I mentioned that. No, it was in a review that I never aired. Yeah, that's right. A Daisy thing. This isn't as powerful as the Daisy or as accurate as the Daisy. Heckler & Koch! So, yeah, I know. Let's open it with... Shit, that's a bad idea. Fuck that. Ah! Everything's falling. Okay, let's just open it up with this, because it's a Heckler & Koch. Ha 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 ha! That was so worth tearing apart my room. God damn it. So, I could use my K-bar that I just got sharpened. But, no, I don't want to hurt its... The A-flex and the long edge with the carbonation doo-da-boo on the edge with a 3-tanium carbonate steel. I don't want to hurt all that, so I gotta pick me a... What the... Oh, man, shit should stop moving over here. God damn it. There we go. I'm just gonna give it the same old treatment that I usually do. Just this nice throwaway knife. Anyway, so let's get this shit open. Okay, the packaging so far is really easy to get into. I haven't really... Yeah, the plastic's cutting nice. It's either that this knife is really good, or the way that they package it with enough room in between the gun and the edge of the packaging. So, no complaints so far, actually. That was the easiest opening you have ever seen me done. You have ever seen me done it. I done did it, but you've never seen me open a package that easily. So, first things first, the gun just slides right out. It has a lot of weight to it. The Daisy's a lot lighter than this. Does it come with the safety on? Hell no, it doesn't. There's your double action right there I was talking about. It moves back a little faux hammer. Not for any reason, but that is kind of cool. See, where's your safety? It says SF. So right now it's on fire. That's awesome. We could put it on safety, how about? Yeah. Push this little thing over here to put it on safety. That's on fire. There's a little S and a little F. I don't know if you can make that out. Push it up there. And now it can't pull the trigger. I don't want to find out what happens when you have the safety off. I don't want to pull the trigger yet. It looks too much like a real gun. Wouldn't want to put it at anything I wouldn't want destroyed. You got your Heckler and Koch right there. Doesn't it look awesome? It reminds me of, isn't this like the gun of choice in the Matrix for Morpheus, Lawrence Fishburne? He's all cool and black. He's like, cool black guy, yo. It comes with some stuff in the back. Let's get that stuff out. Let's see. Woo! Let's see here. It's got a massive Allen wrench. What I refer to as an Allen Alda wrench. Dump all of it out. Forbidden! And, I don't know why I just shouted forbidden. Holy shit. For ages 16 years and older. You must be 16! It's times that I curse this and I'm only 12 and a half. Do not return this product to the store. Yeah, okay. I won't return it. I'll just, like, throw it straight through the fucking window if it doesn't work. Then it has some instructions and mostly just says, don't fuck yourself up. Or don't sue us. Don't cry to us when you get fucked up. Let me take a look at those sights. Wow, the sights are really nice. They have like 3 little, yeah, like, let me look down the barrel here. But I want to show you, they have like 3 little dots when you want to line up and sit your target on the fence, so to speak. Made in Taiwan. That instills me with so much confidence. There's a weird little flipper on the side. I have no idea what it does. I don't know what that does. Babo. And how do I eject the clip? Because the clip falls up. I'm sorry, the magazine! Ah! So, because every gun faggot in the universe has to tell me that. I can see there's a CO2... Oh, you're kidding me. That's what the wrench is for? That's how I make it drop out? I'm doing something, man. It's the point of no return now. This is probably why they tell you not to return it to the store, because you're just going to fuck it up. Okay, there's like a little cap in there. You just took out a cap. And I bought... God damn it, I bought CO2, but it doesn't come with it. I guess I gotta put it in there. But how do I eject the magazine? I think I just unscrewed this from the magazine, and the magazine comes out independently of the gun. There we go, there's a little lever here on the side. Don't ever fucking shoot like this. The next person I see shooting sideways, I hope dies, I hope the shell spins out and burns your fucking face, and I hope it breaks your fucking wrist, and I hope somebody shoots you in your face for being so fucking stupid. I'm so forgiving. Oh, okay. Oh, jeez. The Daisy that we had a weird, almost like breech loading system where you would actually crack the pistol open and then load in revolving chambers on the inside, the BBs. This, on the other hand, is awesome and sucks at the same time. Here's why. Sucks because you have like, it looks like a cheap little spring that it's gonna break. It feels like it, honestly. A cheap little airsoft spring. You could repair it, but geez, I mean, this isn't an airsoft gun. This is a CO2 pistol. And, you know, for 50 bucks, let's upgrade the quality a little, guys. But on the back, it's got like a faux bullet. Oh my god, that's... I just pressed it and made noise. I don't want to die. Anyway, so... Yep. So I guess I gotta load it. And I'd like to do some test shots. So I gotta go outside. First thing I gotta do, take off my awesome dealer boots. Who knew that Skechers could make a comfortable fucking shoe? Now, at first I thought, these shoes look awesome. Oh my god, they're Skechers? What the fuck? Skechers wouldn't make a dealer boot, but on the inside of the dealer boot, there's like nice, I don't know what kind of, it's like leather or kid skin or whatever, but holy shit is it fucking comfortable. Either way, I'm not trudging through mud and shit in that, so let me go find some boots I can change into and let me load everything up. Then we'll get some practice shots, and I'll make more funny noises, and you'll all hate me even more. Woo!